SuperBam, the beginning. When I was young, I had no sense. I ripped my baws on the wire fence. I went to the doctor, he was a poof. He squeezed my baws and I went through the roof. Sang that song back in 85 when 10-year-old SuperBam came alive. Woken at night, dark and frightened, battered with thunder, struck with lightning. Here you wee fanny stoap singing daft songs. You're gonna make rights, no make wrongs. I'm SupremeBam, high and mighty. I brought the thunder that's made your pants all shitey. Singing daft songs is no the right way. Doctors touch baws, it doesn't make them gay. Your ayways gonna be a bit of a prick, but I'm gonna give you powers, this is gonna be sick. Slap, bang, wallop, there you go. Flight, super strength, you'll go naewhere slow. Lasers out your eyes and fuck it, saggy baws, for singing daft songs and just because. I name you SuperBam, you're my last creation. You're the last hope of this great wee nation. Patrol the streets, mind the borders. Now get back to sleep, I'm after catch last orders. So that's the short story of how I began. I woke up scared of thunder, slapped by a strange man. Nae fucking guide to keep us on the right track, and the old cunt's left us an insomniac. I got this far on my own merit. I never asked for the powers I inherit. No exactly sure how or what I done wrong. Maybe it was that wee song I sang. SuperBam, the beginning.